See that arm? That arm's coming off. It's 80 degrees in October at 221. And we're pulling this whole little cluster out. You ready for this? Starts here. Let's pull this guy out. Wait, I already did. This little tab sits in this little guy, and he has to come out too. So let's get him out. Take this guy out as well. He's gonna come with. Fine. Now, you have these plastic screws. I'm gonna show you how to take these guys out. What they do is they push in. You see? That's how they lock into place. And then by hand, you take this guy and slowly, it'll easily come out. You slowly, see it coming out? See it coming out? See it? You get the idea. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. Pull this puppy out. Some more. This puppy's gonna come out. Pull, pull. Let's shut this puppy off. Be quiet. Now we pull. And this guy wants to come out. Fine, let him come out. Sure. You can just stay. You can stay and watch. Now, to pull it completely out, you've got this little leather connected to this little piece. And here you go. There you go. 4 screws. See them? See them? Let's get her out. Now, I love manufacturers that give you enough slack to pull it out in your hand, and I just love Toyota. I really, 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 really do. Look at this. Pull this guy outward. Gives you plenty of slack. Plenty of slack to undo the cluster. Yes, yes, I'm not going to do it. I don't need to, but you're going to do it. So there you have it. And we're going to go say off to the next victim. And we're going to match them up. Come on, puppy. Put the screws back. There you go. Sit nice and tight. With the 4 screws back into place, we've got alignment points and push in, alignment points and push in. Let's put the leather back because that's what we're going to do with it. That's what we're going to do with it. I'm going to push this guy back, push everything back, and we were never here. See that? Now, we're going to put these guys back. Kind of a pain. You want to actually close them off. You want to squeeze them. You see? It's better with 2 hands. But you want to get a smaller little opening, and then you want to push these guys in. See how they go right in? There you go. Done. Little fart here and there. Never hurt nobody. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and don't forget to put that back. Thanks for watching.